Hi everyone, this is Jason. So just a quick video tonight on lemon essential oil, and this little demonstration is for cleaning. We use lemon a lot for cleaning, and one of the things that I need to clean tonight is my board. So of course tomorrow I go back to work. It's a new month, it's a new year. So I have a couple boards. This one's from 2016. I need to clean my whiteboard and get it set up for January. So there's a couple ways you can clean it. You have the marker with the eraser. Now my board's like a year old, so the eraser doesn't work anymore. No matter how much you scrub, it doesn't get any off. Another thing you can try is like a cloth or a paper towel with water or some soap. You can try scrubbing that, scrubbing the numbers, and you can see that doesn't clean it, doesn't get any of the ink off. Another thing you could try, which we use, is lemon. And lemon works really well for this. I just put a drop on my fingertip and rub it, and you can see it just cleans it off immediately. So the numbers, it's not 2016, 2017. I guess I need a little bit more. But you just touch it, and it cleans it right off. So that is a good use for lemon essential oil. It's really good for cleaning around the house. Thanks.